Hi everyone, welcome to Chef Din's cooking tutorials. Here I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix your spices and then cook the dish. Please pause the video now and get together all the ingredients you will need to create this dish. If you have not subscribed to my channel, now is the time to subscribe. Hit the notification button so you get notified when I post new videos. So let's not waste any more time and let's cook. Hi everyone and welcome. I'm Chef Din and today I'm going to show you how to cook a simple fish curry. The fish I'm using today is a dorada, but you'll know it as a sea bream. It's a really lovely meaty fish and you'll enjoy it. You may go, fish curry, but believe me, it's delicious, and once you cook it you'll see for yourself how lovely it is. So in a saucepan, get a quarter a cup of oil. I'm using cooking olive oil here, where you can use vegetable oil or rapeseed oil. I like to use rapeseed oil, but unfortunately you can't get rapeseed over here. Anyway, in this put 3 bay leaves like you see, and about just over half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, and I've crushed a couple of garlics here. You'll find all the ingredients I'm using in the description page, so the recipe's there, so basically check that out. Also you'll be able to check out the other recipes for the boiled rice and the lentils. Lentils goes really well with fish. Normally in India they would have lentils and fish curry and rice as their main meal. So I hope you enjoy this recipe because it is really delicious, and I'm sure you will. Anyway, as you can see, what I'm doing is just heating up the garlic in the oil and just slightly cooking it, not too much. Then we add our onion, chili and our tomato. We're leaving the coriander for last as a garnish on the cooked dish. So what we're going to do is basically just let that stew down for about 10 minutes. Put a lid on it, turn it down a little bit. I'm adding the salt as well. So once this is added, turn it down a little and let it cook with the lid on for about 10 minutes. Right, after 10 minutes, when it's softened a bit, what we're going to do now is basically add a little bit of water to it, say a quarter of a cup of water. Make sure the water is boiling so it doesn't stop the process of cooking. And what we're going to do is turn this right down, and then we're going to steam cook this for half an hour. So let's come back to this after half an hour. Now after half an hour it's softened up. Luckily I've got a timer on this cooker, so I can just leave it. Then we put our spices in, the turmeric, the red chili, the paprika, and the cumin, coriander, and that's it. So we're going to give this a good mix. In this we're also going to put a little bit of chili powder. That's about half a teaspoon of chili powder. You can put a bit more if you want. It depends how hot you like it. So we're going to put the potatoes now, and just like before in my other recipes, we're going to use the potatoes to break down the onions to give it a little bit of a smoother sauce. This is the best way to break it down. So as you can see, I'm just stirring it while the potatoes are still hard, using them like a little vice kind of thing, where they're knocking against each other and breaking up the onions. So after I've done this, what I'm going to do is now add the water to this. I'm going to add 1 cup and a quarter of a cup. That's all we need. And then we're going to bring this to the boil and add our fish, and then turn it down for 25 minutes, and it's done. Our fish curry is done. That's how easy it is. You don't have to stand over this dish. Like I said, in the meantime you could have cooked your rice, you could have cooked your lentils as well. I'm going to cook this fish and eat it later, and just heat the curry up and cook the rice. So there you go, that's my fish curry. I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to just finish this off with putting the extra quarter of a cup of water, just so that it's just a nice semi-thick sauce. The fish curry sauce shouldn't be too thick. So finish off with the coriander. As it's boiling, you can see we're going to give it a little stir and then put the lid on it and leave it for 25 minutes on a really low heat. So this is my fish curry. I hope you enjoy it. Please let me know in the comments what you think and if you enjoy it. And I hope to see you soon on my next video. So bye for now and enjoy my fish curry.